Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to backup WhatsApp messages on your iPhone or on your Android device. That is so simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your WhatsApp and then open up your settings tab here on settings icon and there select chats. Now there you are able to do the chat backup. Just tap there on chat backup option and now you are able to backup chat now. Just tap there on backup now to make backup in your iCloud. Also you can turn on auto backup. Now in my account it's set to daily. I can tap there and change it to weekly, monthly or turn it off. I'll set it to weekly, go back and also there I am enable and also there I am able to choose if I want to backup also video or not. By default it's set, it toggled off and I left it in that condition. Make sure you liked this video if it was helpful for you and see you next time.